Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. Yeah, previously we configured the Thinknode G4 Wi-Fi HaLow gateway, and we also got caught up with the Elecrow ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow Camera module. Yeah, really cool. You can see it's working. I got the video streaming demonstration to work, and so now I want to do more of a range test. And I figured the best way to do a range test is let's put it on a rocket. Well, if I'm going to put the little ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow module on a rocket, then I kind of want to put it in a case. So I needed a 3D printed case. So I'm in Tinkercad. I made several different revisions. That was the first one there. And there was an intermediate one. This is what I wound up with. This is Rev 5, essentially. I designed and printed 5 different iterations. And each one was just a little bit better, but not quite right. Yeah, but there we go. This is what I wound up with here. Yeah, so there's the ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow module. That's Rev 5 there. Let's get it out. Got to just angle that antenna just right. It's hung up on the antenna a little bit. So Rev 1 was just to see, can I figure out the size of the device? And the problem with this is it's too tight on the sides because you see the battery connectors there. Oh, no, you're doing it backwards. Camera's got to face that way. Yeah, the battery's on the front, so I need room on the side to get the wires past, and I got to make sure the USB port's accessible. Got the camera right, but the case is really flimsy. It's just 2 layers. Yeah, 2 wall thicknesses on the case. So number 2, I thickened things up and even made a lid for it. So we figured out how to make lids. Yeah, it's a little thicker, and I put those little standoffs in there so that hopefully the USB would line up, but yeah, it's really sturdy. It's like 4 walls thick. And 2, 3, and 4 were all just playing around with the standoffs and trying to get the USB port to line up. And you see here on Rev 5, USB port does line up. So we're ready to put this on a rocket. And super sturdy case. Yeah, and it's 3.2 millimeters thick on the front and the back. So it's a pretty sturdy case. And you can look for it on Thingiverse. I'll post a link to that in the description down below. Of course, you can look for the product links down below as well. Both the Thinknode G4 gateway and the ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow module. You are the smartest tech audience on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a comment below, like this video, and that helps get the algorithm going anyway. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my live streams or any of my new videos. All right, thank you very much.